Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best pond pump hose is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining a healthy and vibrant pond ecosystem, acting as the vital lifeline that transports water from your pump to your filter or water feature, ensuring consistent circulation and aeration, which are absolutely essential for the survival of fish and aquatic plants. And a high-quality hose can make all the difference in the efficiency and longevity of your entire pond setup. Number 5. Tetra Pond Tubing 1 inch 20 feet. Easily connect all your essential pond equipment. This flexible tubing ensures a secure link between pumps, filters, and other vital components. Built to last, this tubing is designed to resist kinking and collapsing. You can rely on it to maintain consistent water flow without interruption. Want a seamless pond aesthetic? Bury this tubing to keep your water feature looking natural and uncluttered. With a 1-inch inner diameter and a 20-foot length, it offers ample reach for various pond setups. This provides flexibility in placing your equipment. Choose a brand you can trust for your aquatic environment. Tetra products are designed with your pond's health and beauty in mind. What we like. This tubing is designed for seamless connection of all your pond components. It's built to be durable and won't crimp, ensuring consistent water flow. If you need a reliable and discreet solution for your pond's filtration and water features, this is a great choice. What people say. It is a rubbery-like material with decent wall thickness between ribs. It is nearly smooth on the inside, you can barely feel where the ribs are. I is easy to wrap into 12 diameter roll or smaller for storage and can be bent quite easily almost back onto itself without kinking. The flex hose is far more convenient than hard plumbing. The flex hose allows me to move it around any rock or landscaping with ease. I like the fact it was 20 foot, which I did not need, but maybe will for future editions. Most of the tubing offered was too much length for my project. I give it 5 stars for flexibility and it's easy to maneuver. Number 4. 115V 330 GPH Portable Water Transfer Pump. Introducing a powerful and portable solution for all your water removal needs. This electric pump makes transferring water simple and efficient. Getting started is easy. Just prime it, submerge the intake, and plug it in. It delivers an impressive 330 gallons per hour, thanks to its robust motor. Despite its compact size, this pump offers significant value. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it incredibly convenient to take anywhere. From aquariums and rain barrels to clogged sinks and pools, this versatile tool handles a wide range of water transfer tasks with ease. This package includes everything you need, such as a 6-foot hose, a water suction attachment, and even a replacement impeller kit for long-lasting use. You maintain complete control over the water transfer process. Simply unplug it when you're done to manually shut it off. What we like. This pump offers powerful water transfer capabilities in a compact package. Its portability makes it easy to move and store for various tasks. If you're looking for a versatile pump for tasks like emptying aquariums or water beds and appreciate hands-on control, this is the one for you. What people say. Works like great for its size. I have larger pumps, but this little guy works like it should and much lighter. Super transportable. Works great and very fast, used to drain and clean a fountain. I have used it successfully for pumping out my garden fountain and flooded sprinkler box. Works fast, and for someone who is not mechanical, like me, it was a breeze to put together and use. Number 3. Superior Pump 99624 Universal Discharge Hose Kit. Introducing the Superior Pump 99624, a universal discharge hose kit designed for convenience. It's built to work seamlessly with most pumps. This kit features a generous 24-foot poly drainage tubing. This provides ample reach for your pumping needs. It comes equipped with adapters for both 1 to 1/4 inch and 1 to 1/2 inch discharge sizes. You'll also find rust-resistant hose clamps included for a secure fit. Setting up this hose kit is incredibly straightforward. You'll have it connected and working in no time. Its universal design ensures compatibility with a wide range of pumps. If your pump has a 1 to 1/4 or 1 to 1/2 inch discharge, this kit is the perfect solution. What we like. This discharge hose kit is designed for maximum compatibility with most pumps. The generous 24-foot length provides ample reach for your water transfer needs. If you have a pump and need a straightforward, adaptable hose solution, this kit offers ease of installation and broad applicability. What people say. The hose is flexible and easy to maneuver around obstacles in the pond. It has a smooth interior surface which helps prevent clogging and maintain good water flow. The material feels durable and resistant to kinking, even when bent sharply. Number 2. LONGRUN 1-inch diameter pond tubing. Introducing our flexible and durable tubing, designed for a wide range of applications. It's built to last, offering reliable performance wherever you need it. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a hassle-free setup. With included clamps and fittings, installation is efficient and straightforward. Beyond its primary use, it's perfect for protecting wires during indoor projects. Its robust construction shields lines from damage and corrosion, ensuring longevity. Crafted from advanced PVC, this tubing is solid, flexible, and lightweight. It resists corrosion and extreme temperatures, outperforming ordinary vinyl options. The corrugated design allows it to bend freely without kinking, ensuring uninterrupted flow. Its length can also be easily customized to fit your specific needs. Whether for garden ponds, pools, or indoor drainage, this tubing is your ideal solution. It's suitable for horticultural, industrial, and domestic uses, making it incredibly versatile. What we like. This tubing offers excellent flexibility and comes as a complete kit for easy setup. Its corrugated design prevents kinks, and it even has a secondary use for protecting wires. If you need a versatile and kink-resistant hose for your pond, garden, or even for concealing cables, this is a practical option. What people say. The 20.7 feet length is incredibly generous, providing ample reach for various projects without needing multiple connection points. The 1-inch diameter is perfect for maintaining strong water flow for pumps and filters. The corrugated flexible design is incredibly easy to maneuver around landscaping and obstacles without kinking, which is a common frustration with lesser quality tubing. Despite its flexibility, it feels incredibly durable and robust, ready to withstand the elements year-round. The inclusion of clamps and pipe fittings is an absolute lifesaver. This thoughtful addition meant I had everything I needed right out of the box to create secure, leak-free connections. Number 1. Submersible water pump with 25-foot hose kit. Experience powerful water removal with this high-efficiency submersible pump. It can drain up to 4,000 gallons per hour and lift water up to 31 feet, making quick work of any water accumulation. This utility pump is designed for convenience. Its lightweight design, long power cord, and quiet operation make it easy to use around your home for various pumping needs. Achieve a nearly dry surface with its low suction capability, drawing water down to just 1/5 inch. It also offers versatile connectivity with included adapters for different hose sizes. Built to last, this submersible pump is constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant thermoplastic. Premium bearings and a stainless steel motor shaft ensure exceptional longevity. The powerful motor features built-in automatic thermal overload protection, safeguarding it from overheat damage. This ensures optimal longevity and dependable performance for years to come. For optimal performance, gently submerge the pump at an inclined angle before operation. This simple step helps release any trapped air bubbles for efficient startup. What we like. This submersible pump boasts impressive power and can handle large volumes of water quickly. Its ability to suction water down to a very low level makes it ideal for complete draining. If you need to tackle significant water removal from pools, ponds, or basements and require a robust, long-lasting solution, this pump is a top contender. What people say. The hose is flexible and easy to maneuver around obstacles in the pond. It has a smooth interior surface that prevents debris buildup and maintains good water flow. The hose material is durable and resistant to kinking, ensuring a long lifespan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.